In this video, we want to look at the second equations of motion. If you look at the first equation from our previous video, in case if you have not seen that, you can check our previous video. You look at the proving of the first equation, I mean to say. Now we want to look at the proving of the second equation of motion. And if you take a look at it, this is the second equation of motion, is S, which is a distance equal to, in bracket, ut plus half at square. And we all know that from our previous first equation, we have defined all the variables that are inside. Our v, which is our final velocity, our u is our initial velocity, our a, our linear acceleration, our s is the time interval, our t, is the time interval, and our s is the distance covered. Now let s be the distance covered in time t with the initial and final velocities given by u and v respectively. We are still imagining a body that is moving. It covers a distance f. The time it covers such distance is t with the velocities, which was the initial and the final velocity. Now we define average velocity as what? Initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. That is our what? Our average velocity, which is giving us what? Average velocity is equal to u plus v divided by 2. Now we remember from our first equation that what? V is equal to u plus at. That is our first equation of motion that we have proved. Alright, now hence we now said if you substitute v, which is our first equation of motion, inside the v that is in the average velocity, what you are going to have is our average velocity is going to be u plus at divided by 2. And if you add, as u plus u will give you 2u because they are common, they are the same. So u plus u will give you 2u plus 80 divided by 2. This is our average velocity. Further simplification, what are we going to have? Our average velocity is going to be 2u divided by 2 plus 80 divided by 2. That is our average velocity. If you look at it, we have 2 that is common there. So 2 cancel 2. Then the other side, there is nothing that is going to cancel out. So our average velocity is going to be what? Average velocity equal to u plus 80 equal to, over 2, or average velocity is going to be u plus half at, still the same thing. That's our average velocity. Remember that the distance cover distance s cover is equal to average velocity multiplied by the time, and our average velocity is denoted by what? That's by v times time. We all know the formula of average velocity that we've proven, which is u plus half at. If you multiply it with time, what are you going to have as the distance? Now multiply through by t. When t multiply everything, what you are going to have as our distance cover, t times u will give you ut plus t times half at. What are you going to have? At squared. This is our second equation of motion. Thank you so much. Go over it, watch it again and again. You will have a clear understanding of it. Anything that you don't understand, you can put it using the comment link there. Then I will see how I'll communicate to you further. Thank you. Please, if you have not subscribed, you can do well to subscribe. Click on the subscription for more videos that I'll update you with. Thank you.